Prime Minister Andrew Holness actually told Parliament that Jamaica endured one of the most punishing natural disasters in our modern history. So surpassing that of Gilbert. I don't want to hear anybody talk about Gilbert anymore, and so on. So it's catastrophic damage. And so I think for all of us that were spared on the eastern section of the island, it's our time to, play a part in helping out those on the, our brothers or sisters or relatives or friends, anyone, even strangers. Just, there's simple things, as you said, donating blood is free, sharing things on social media is free, donating to different organizations and relief. Everybody must know somebody that's affected or some drive that's going on and can look through and find some old clothes. Rinse them before you donate them, like food items, those kind of stuff. Yeah, man, serious.